What's up, YouTubers? Reggie P here. Let me ask you something. Would you like to make $100 a day without recording any videos? I bet you would. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you a secret method that they don't want you to know about. So stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can make $100 a day without recording any videos. Now, I have touched on this topic before where I talked about how you can use Creative Commons. Now, if you don't know what Creative Commons is, go ahead and check out my video. Just click on the I at the top of this video and go check out that video where I talked about how you can use Creative Commons to make money without recording any videos. But today I'm going to talk about a new method, a secret method that these YouTubers don't want you to know, because this method is making these YouTubers out there 100 or more every day using this method. So I'm going to go ahead and teach you this method so you can potentially start making this type of money. Now, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, because I bring videos on a weekly basis that will show you how to make money creating apps, make money on YouTube, and make money on the internet. So please subscribe today. Please like this video if you like what I'm talking about today, and drop a comment down below in the comment section if you have a question about the topic that I'm touching on today. Also, please watch this video to the very end so you won't miss any of the steps to this method. All right, without further ado, let me go ahead and hop over here to my computer. Okay, this is step one. Step one is you're going to go on YouTube and you're going to look for a popular channel, preferably that has over 2 million subscribers. And you're going to pick a niche, pick a good niche. And this niche I picked is the health niche. So I went to this channel called Natural Cures. And what I'm going to do is pick a popular video that's getting a lot of downloads. That's getting a lot of views. So I'll pick this one right here. Let's go ahead and check it out. Has a little intro.
Joint pain causes discomfort and pain. It can occur with or without muscle movement and can even be.
Okay, as you can see, it has words going across the screen, capture. And also it has a voiceover. So you can do one or the other, or you can do both. And as you can see, this video has, let's see what it has here, 86,000 views. So that's a lot of views. And let's see, when did they put this video out? April 4th. It's been maybe a couple of weeks and they got a lot of views for something like this. Very simple. So this is step one that you need to do. Now let me go ahead and go to step two. Okay, this is step two. What you're going to do is go to wave.video.com, and once you go there, you're going to go there and pick a video. As you can see, it's best online video maker, free forever. So what you're going to do is go here to, you're going to sign up first. Once you sign up, you can pick a template. And since we picked the health niche, we're going to go to a health template. They don't have health on here, but they got sport and wellness. So wellness has something to do with health. So we go there And let's pick this one right here. So let's play it. So as you can see, it has words scrolling across the screen, pictures in the background, music playing. So you can use this for free. And what you're going to do, you can change the text. Once you sign up and everything, you'll be able to go in there and change the text to whatever you want to put. Change the image in the background, and you don't have to do anything else for as recording anything. This is all put together. So you put all that together, and that's just, since this video right here only lasts like 20 something seconds, you'll go find another one that's 20 something seconds, and another one maybe up to like 5 of them or 6 or 7. Put those together, and on each one you're going to put some words similar to the health video that I showed you that's real popular, similar to that. And you're going to go ahead and edit it, put it together. The editing is real easy. Put it together, and voila, you have a video that's similar to that popular video out there. You'll put that out there and you get a lot of views. So essentially you're making you're making a video that has like a compilation video, but you're using a niche that's real popular. You're not worrying about going to YouTube and downloading Creative Commons, so you don't have to worry about any copyright strikes. Using videos is absolutely free, copyright free, and all you're doing is just changing the text and images that will draw a lot of views. I mean, there are a lot of channels out there that have health videos where they're not even talking, they're not even doing anything, just showing slides and words. So you can do the same thing. So I'm going to show you one other thing that you can add to this video if you don't want to use these images that they have in these videos. Here's the final step. You're going to go to unsplash.com, and what this website is, they have beautiful free images and pictures you can use to add to your video. So as you can see, there's a lot of images right here, a lot of beautiful images right here. Now let's look for the health niche and see what images they have there. So there's health right there. Let's click on that. There's one picture, there's another picture, there's another one. As we scroll down here, there's one with food. There's one with some exercise and stretching, running, yoga. And if you want to talk about some sports that have to do with health, you can do that. All these images are free. So, all you got to do is just click on right here and you'll be able to, there you go, right there. You can add it to your home screen or just download it. There you go, right there. You can just download it onto your photo gallery or anywhere on the computer. So that's it. That's the 3 steps you need to take.
So now you know the secret method that will potentially make you $100 a day without recording any videos. Just make sure you follow that method step by step, and before you know it, you will start getting views and start making $100 a day. Now, at the beginning, it's going to take some time for you to get your channel out there, get it going, but if you pick the right niche, it can take off very, very fast.
So go ahead and start on that method as soon as possible. Now, if you have any questions about this method, drop a comment down below and I will answer your question the best way I can. But also do your own research. There are a lot of other videos out there that talks about this method too. Not that many, but it's some few that are popping up that talk about this very method. So do your own research also. All right, that's all I have for today. But let me ask you this. Are you really serious about making money online? Because if you are, I have a course that I am selling. In this course, it teaches you how to create apps without any coding involved. And also, it gives you step-by-step how to market your app where you can potentially get hundreds of downloads every day. And you can start making money while you sleep. So if you want to check out my course, please click on the link below. It's called How to Make Money Creating Apps Without Coding online course. Now it's on sale for $8.99. So go ahead and download that today while it's on sale for $8.99. Now that's all I have for today. Thank you for watching this video to the very end. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop a comment, share this video on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. Share this video with your friends and family, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been dropped. Now, before I go, do you want to know how you can make $100 an hour? Well, click on this video right here, and this video will show you how you can make $100 an hour. So, that's all I have for today. Before I go, make sure you get your grind on, because the grind is real.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.